Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Frigidaire ice maker has started making loud or unusual noises, it can be pretty concerning, especially when it was running quietly before. You might hear grinding, knocking, or buzzing sounds during the ice making cycle, which makes it feel like something inside is going wrong. In reality, these sounds are often linked to normal components like the fan, ice tray movement, or water flow. But when they become louder than usual, it usually points to a small issue that needs attention. Things like uneven placement, ice buildup, or internal strain can amplify the noise significantly. Instead of ignoring it or assuming the machine is damaged, a few targeted checks can quickly bring it back to normal operation. In this video, I'll guide you through exactly how to reduce and fix the loud noise coming from your Frigidaire ice maker, and try these. Step 1. Turn off the ice maker and unplug it to stop all internal movement. Step 2. Place the unit on a flat and stable surface to reduce vibration. Step 3. Remove any stuck or excess ice from the internal tray area. Step 4. Clean inside components to clear buildup affecting movement. Step 5. Ensure proper airflow around the unit to prevent strain. Step 6. Plug it back in and check if the noise level returns to normal.